Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make circle vape tricks. Mastering this trick requires patience and practice, but with the right technique, you will be blowing perfect O-rings in no time. We will cover the essential steps, from preparing your mouth to controlling your breath and vapor. Get ready to impress your friends with these cool and captivating vapor circles. It's a fun skill to develop. Proper mouth and tongue positioning is crucial for creating crisp vapor rings. Begin by forming a small, firm O with your lips, similar to saying ooh. Next, pull your tongue back into your mouth, pressing the sides against your molars and creating a slight U or cup shape in the center. This creates a channel for the vapor to exit cleanly, giving your rings their distinct circular form. The exhale is where the magic happens. Instead of a continuous breath, you'll use short, controlled pulses from your throat. Imagine a gentle cough or a quick huff sound. This creates small bursts of vapor that form the rings. Keep your lips and jaw still. Only your throat should be moving. Start with very small puffs and gradually increase the force as you get more comfortable. Your equipment can significantly impact your success. A device capable of producing dense, thick vapor is ideal. Look for higher wattage settings, typically 50 to 80 watts, and e-liquids with a higher vegetable glycerin or VG content, around 70 to 80% VG. Also, find a calm, still room with no fans or open windows. Air currents can easily disrupt your perfectly formed vapor rings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.